Okay, Ryan, I'm gonna do this unboxing for you. I let this out because this is like the gift that she gave me, or whatever. This is a recipes booklet, I suppose. It's nice. It's kind of you. And then this one, The Wisdom and Healing Power of Whole Foods by Patrick Quinlan, PhD, RD, CNS, with an audio CD. How thoughtful. Okay, so let's see what's inside this mammoth beast of a box, which is actually heavy. Which I guess makes sense because this device is probably going to be heavy. Let's see. Styrofoam partition here at the top. Just going to take that out. I'm going to try to take that out. There we are. Set that aside. Let's see, what do we have in here first? Hello, lovely. Tamper. Set that to the side. I'm going to put... Yeah, that was a view inside the box for you. I'm going to take both hands so you're going to get a little up close and personal. Dang, this boy's heavy. Here we are. This is Colonel John Casey. Let's see how he fits in here. It just doesn't quite make it under the cabinet. Well, that's okay. Okay. I'll do another one in a little bit to showcase the first blending. Let me, if there's anything else in the box. Oh wait, there's more in here. Let's see what this is. Wow, this is legit, like an actual binder with... That's dope, I like that. That's cool. Usually they just give you these flimsy ones, kind of like this guy. But they give me a big one. Okay. I guess we'll get started here. Okay, Ryan, part 2. As you can see here, I have a plate of various fruits. I have strawberries, some blueberries, pineapple chunks, and a banana cut in twos, some spinach. I'll go ahead and just kind of take these in there. Just drop it in. I should have used a more, something that would be easier to pour from, you know, because it's not going to work too well that way. I'm going to put you down for just a second. Not sure what you can see from that angle, but it doesn't matter much. Alright. Looks like one of those, what do you call them when you mix in the different colors of sand? Here's the spinach. As you can tell, I'm not very good at doing video like some of the other YouTubers have been. Just going to lay that right on the top there. Get the last few pieces out of here. I never eat spinach. My mom's seen this video, she would probably jump for joy. Alright, I have a red Solo cup here about half full of water. Pour that in there. Here we go. Just getting the lid fastened on. Do like they do. I don't know how loud this is going to be. I've never started it up before, but I guess it'll be First time for everybody, huh? Get it set on 1. Well, that's not good. Hold on. Okay, so apparently it was turning, but I couldn't see it or something, but it's all good now. Just getting it back on. Well, it came out brown. I think that's... And that lone piece of spinach got... I think I know what happened. Probably too much. Here we are. So now the piece of spinach wants to fall in. Just going to go ahead and take that guy out. Throw him away. I gotta tell you, this looks disgusting. I'm gonna give it a try anyway, though. Not bad. Disgusting looking. It looks like dog poop, but whatever. Thanks.